Feeling a bit lost with all the auction buzz? Don't worry, let's dive into what's really happening in the property world right now. Hi there, Rupali here, your independent buyer's agent from Get Rare Properties. There's a lot happening, so I thought I'd give you the lowdown on what's been shaking up the market this past week. Let's chat about auction. Spring's on the horizon and Sydney and Melbourne are holding steady with their auction clearance rates. Last week saw a solid chunk of homes sold under the hammer across Australia. Even with the more listings popping up, the best properties are still getting plenty of attention. And I must tell you that if selling is on your mind, it might be a great time to act now. Got some good news for the sellers out there. Recent reports are showing that most house sales across Australia were pretty profitable last year with impressive gains. Even units are performing better than expected, with results we haven't seen in ages. Sellers in Sydney top suburbs are raking in the profits, proving that property market is still a strong wealth builder. Not thinking about selling? Maybe you are eyeing a Reno instead. You are not alone. There's been a big spike in renovations approvals lately, with a significant jump just last month. This Reno wave is pushing up property values, especially in those high demand areas. Here's where it gets interesting. House prices are still climbing across Australia, and with inflation possibly on the decline, there's some buzz that the Reserve Bank of Australia might feel the heat to cut interest rate soon. Word on the street is that inflation could drop quite a bit thanks to some government cost of living help, potentially going from 3.8% in June to as low as 2.1% by September. Now, while markets are betting on a rate cut by November, RBA governor is playing it cool, saying it's not on the cards just yet. There's a bit of debate going on because some folks are worried that cutting rates too soon could bring back those inflation woes from the 70s. It's a wait and see game, but definitely something to keep an eye on. That's it for this week. Whether you are planning to sell or renovate, there's plenty of opportunities in the property market right now. If you are keen to stay ahead of the property game, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for instant updates. Plus, you can join us for a free workshop on Fast Track Your Financial Freedom next week on 4th of September. Don't forget to register.